So hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we will learn about squares and square roots. Okay, and do you have a mistake? Okay. So first we'll learn about squares. Squares are integers which are the product of another integer and the same integer. So okay, so what I'm so see. For example, if we write 2 into 2, okay, 2 into 2 equal 4. We can represent 2 into 2. We can represent 2 into 2 as 2 squared also, because you can see that we are multiplying the same digit 2 times. Okay, so this is first and this is second. So we are multiplying it 2 times. So we will write 2 squared. Like for I will take a bigger number, for example, 12 squared, 12 into 12. Okay, 12 into 12 is equal to 144. Okay, so see, we can represent 12 into 12 as 12 squared also, because you can see there are two numbers being multiplied together. So whenever you see two numbers which are the same in multiplication, you can say the number, whatever the number is, squared. Okay, so I hope you understood. So it is denoted by superscript with 2 as a superscript. For example, 8 squared equals 16. Okay, so superscript and subscript, you don't need to know about that. Just know that superscript means in the above part. Subscript means in the lower part, like this. And subscript is another different thing, and you don't need to worry about it. And one more thing I forgot to mention here: taking out a square means multiply repeated multiplication. Okay, so actually I'm talking about the bigger part of square, which is powers. The powers are actually repeated multiplication. So I'll talk about powers in another video, but for now, just remember that squares, a number is squared when it is being multiplied to itself in multiplication, and there are two numbers. Okay, so it has the 2 as a superscript, because we are multiplying the same number two times. So this is one time and this is second time. Okay, so in the multiplication operation, there are two numbers which are the same, so we will use 2. If there were 3, for example, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3. Okay, so this is 2 to the power 3 or 2 cube. Okay, so if there are 4 twos, then you would write 2 to the power 4, 5 twos, then 2 to the power 5, and so on. As you can see in the picture also, I forgot the example. For example, 8 squared, this should be 64, not 16. Okay, this should be 64, not 16. And one more thing, remember this, the mistake I have also done over here. 8 to the power 2 doesn't mean 8 into 2. Always remember this. Okay, if that number is in the upper part of the number with this is the base, the 8 is the base and this is the superscript. Okay, so if power, this is the power, so if the number is above the base, then it is a power, and if we are using the multiplication operation, then it is multiplication. Okay, so the number below is the bigger number is the base. Okay, and the small number is the power. Okay, as you can see in the picture also, there is a beautiful pattern followed by square numbers. You can see 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. So this is actually a 10 by 10 grid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6. Like these are the multiplications 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So these are the multiplications. So in a 10 by 10 number grid, they follow a beautiful pattern in a diagonal fashion like this. Okay, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 40, 9, 64, 81, and 100. Okay. So what are square roots? Square roots are integers which when multiplied by itself get a product. Okay. So for example, we do 2 square, okay, is equal to 4. So now if I ask the opposite thing, that what is the square root of 4? Okay, so the sign of the square root is like this should be like, not derivation. Okay, it should be like, is it is like the division sign, but it means square root. Okay, for example, if you have to take out the square root of 4, so what we will do is so what is the square root of 4? We have taken out over here 2 to the power 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is then 2. So when integers multiply, so square roots are integers which are multiplied by themselves get a product. Okay, so 2 to the power 2 equal 4, and square root of 4 is equal to 2, because 2 into 2 is 4. So for example, square root of 64 equal 8. So first of all, I will tell you the way that we find out square roots. Okay, so yes, okay, I'll take this and take this. So we will do it like prime factorization. So for those who don't know prime factorization, we just represent a number in its prime factors. Okay. For example, if I take uh perfect square, a perfect square means that okay, I will take for example 196. Okay, 196. I will take one. Yes. Okay, a second. I will take 196. Okay, as you can see in the table, square root of 196 is 14. So first we use prime factorization, right? So first, as 196 is divisible by 2, we can see as 6 is an even number. So 2 nines are 18 and 1 6 98. Okay, 1 6, yes. 2 into 98 equal 196. Yes, yes. Okay, it is correct. Then we again divide by 2 as 98 is still divisible by 2. Yes, I couldn't find my cursor. Okay, so 2 4s are 8. Okay, so I'm just doing the prime factorization over here. 1 8 and 2 9. Okay, then 49 is divisible by 7. 7 sevens are 49. So actually 49, 7 squared is actually 49. So square root of 49 is 7. So we can write this 7 and then below also 7. 7 sevens are 49. And again 7. 7 1s are 7. Okay. So we have done the prime factorization over here, and in just one more thing to tell you, in prime factorization we always represent in a prime factors. Okay, we just divide it by their prime factors, whichever prime factor they are divisible by, and then write the quotient as the in the below the first quotient, below the quotient. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, we have got 2277. These are the four numbers which we got on the left hand side. Now we will make pairs. Okay, so this one is pair, this pair, and this pair. So we got two pairs. Now, in the first pair, there are two twos. We will take out just one. Okay, we will take out just one, two, and in the seventh pair, we'll take out another one, only one seven. Okay, like this. So we'll do 2 into 7 equal 2 into 7 equals 14, and we got the square root of 198. So it is very easy to do. Okay, so these are the square roots of all the numbers from 2 to 19. Okay, yes. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And the next video I'll make a programming one, as I have made many study videos. Okay, so bye.